Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that will ask the user to give a length in inch or inches, and then our program will convert the given inches into centimeter equivalent using C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. So we have your shop include iostream. We have your shop include stdio.h, a library file in C for input output. Without this library file, we cannot use commands like printf, scanf in our C program. Int main, it is the starting point of every C program, and ending point begin. And then I have two variables, the inch and cm stands for centimeter, which has a data type of float. When we see float, means a data type that has a decimal value. Print formatting or printf to new line, printf inches to centimeter in C, printf give length in inch, scanf f pointing inch, and then we have here the conversion here, cm equals inch multiplied by 2.54. so it means that 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimeter. And then we have here print f to new line for formatting, and then we have here the display. The equivalent length in centimeter is %5.2 decimal places cm. New line here in a program which informs the user that the program has been ended. \t for horizontal tab. We have here printf \n to new line, and then we have here right curly bracket to close the main body of our program. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go to our devs C++ compiler. Let us go to execute, compile and run. Inches to centimeter in C, give length in inch. Let's see, we have 6.4. The equivalent in centimeters is 16.26 centimeter, 6.4 inches. End of program. Another example, 34.5 inches. The equivalent in length is centimeters is 87.63 centimeters. End of program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on inches to centimeter in C programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video guys. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.